First place, I want to say thank you for taking the time to watch this video. The second thing is let me not waste your time. The purpose of this video is to introduce Select IP, which is a multi-vendor, multi-client website. If that is not something that's interested, if you don't want to advertise your products on a multi-vendor website, then don't look at the rest. Don't waste your time. If you are interested in advertising your products on an e-commerce website where multiple vendors can be on, then please look at this. The purpose of selectip.co.za is to add all the products and all the vendors on a single platform where everybody can look at every product. It is a quote-based system, which means we don't show prices of anything. The vendor will give you the price. We only give you the tools to look for a specific product and then find out who the vendor is and then request a quote from the vendor. That way, it saves you time on looking at multiple online websites or phoning multiple suppliers or looking at anything else to try and get a product quotes. It also gives you the opportunity to get the best product for your specific application. On the vendor side, it allows the vendor to advertise his products. And I know there's a lot of system integrators that have one or two products that they bring into the country and don't specifically have the sales team or the marketing team to market that products to the clients. And some of them is really good products. And that's a problem. We don't see that every day. We need to put all the products out there to be available to all the South Africans. The purpose for this is to have South Africa know what the best product is and what is available in South Africa. There's sometimes a small company sitting in a Karoo or sitting in Gauteng or sitting in Rustenburg that have one or two really good products, but it's not noticed anywhere else. They will say they're the OEM, and they are not the OEM, they're the distributor of the products, but don't have the time to send it out. So this gives you the opportunity to market your products on an e-commerce website where the client can request a quote from you. That gives you a lot more exposure. And if we do it right, a Select IP, you will have exposure over the whole of South Africa, and we're hoping Africa as well. We're going to market it into Africa as well, but the biggest we want to focus on is South Africa first. The intention is to build a website with all the automation products. If you are familiar with all this multi-vendor like Takealot and Leroy Merrill and everybody out there that have products, it's the same purpose. But this is focusing on automation products, the automation industry. There's a lot of system integrators out there that have to do quotes every day. And sometimes they have the money to employ somebody that just sits there and get products and get quotes for them and get from suppliers. But not everybody has it. Sometimes it's a single person doing the system integration. The purpose of this is to give that guy also access to products. He can build anything from a small panel to a large system to a plant and even add on to an existing system. If he knows it's an S7500, for instance, or he knows what the make and model is, he can go and look for it and then look at equivalent products or product that work with it. If he knows it's Profibus, he can look for other Profibus products. If he knows it's Profinet or DeviceNet or whatever Modbus, whatever communications is there, he can look at over the range of multiple OEMs and see who is advertising products in that same communication range, on that same range, and find it and put it together. The intention is to have an open frame, open system where vendors can add their products in there, and we will add it in there. We're going to do the donkey work, if you want to say it, and add the products to the website. You don't have people to that. You only have to give us a list of the products that you want to advertise and market on the website and the data, and we will make sure it's there. You anyway have to have it. You have a price list. We need a price list. You can take off the prices, but we need a description and an SKU number and everything else on there, and we can populate the data on our side, and the products will be loaded. If you look at the website already, you'll see there's quite a bit of categories laid out. Anything from instrumentation, switches, panels, anything from drives and VSDs to soft starts to industrial PCs, SCADA systems, everything else. We're trying to build everything else there that would be needed for an automation system. There will be valves in there and some hydraulics. So its intention is to build all the products that is needed to build a plant. Not something at your house, a plant or a machine, or actually find a product out there. And a lot of companies say they will sell, for instance, a specific product range, but they don't have each item in there. So if you go and do a search for a specific part number, you'll only find it overseas, but there is a local supplier for it. So this will give the local supplier the opportunity to list his products in one website. And he can only list his products there, and then everybody can find it and they can find him. Otherwise, you have to make a website, you have to make everything else, have marketing teams in place. We're trying to make that work easier. Let him save money, not spend money. Let him save money, put it on a website that everybody is going to look at. And we're going to try and market it that way. So yes, if you are interested in putting your products on Select AP, please give us a call or send us an email. The details is in part of the video. It will be at the bottom. Send us a call, send us an email. We will send you an information pack on how it works, what the terms and conditions is and what the cost is. It's not expensive. Definitely not. If you think about what it costs to put a salesperson in place, a salary and everything else, this is not expensive. And I know you can make your own website, an e-commerce website, and I know you can manage it. But it takes, believe me, from a person that have already run e-commerce website, it takes more people to run an e-commerce website than a salesperson will run. You have to have marketing, you have to put a person in place just to make sure that the products is right. You have to load all the products and maintain it. Here we are taking care of all that for you. All the things. All that you have to do is give us a list and pay us a fee, a monthly advertising fee. We're not going to sell that. The client is not going to buy from us. He's going to buy from you. So when you request a quote, the information will be sent directly to you. You're going to know who's going to buy your product. You're going to know, the client's going to know who's going to supply him the product. Everybody's going to know is we just here as a marketing platform. That's it. We're not selling any products. We're marketing the products for you. So if you are interested in it, please do it and enjoy it. Thank you very much. If you have ever been looking for an automation product, this is a place to go. Select AP. It's a new website. It's a launch as part of the African Automation Fair. It's a product where we want a website where we want to add in all the products that we can to make getting prices and getting the right part for the right place to you as quick as possible. How much time do your electricians or your engineers spend on finding the correct problem or the exact equivalent? Select AP will do that for you. You're trying to list all the products available in South Africa, and it will tell you who the vendor is. You can talk directly to him. You don't have to buy it through us. Once you know it's coming from somebody, you can talk directly to them. That way there's no markup. We don't want to put markup on part of markup. We want to give you the best product for the best price. Please use our website, selectap.co.za. Go and register. Go and select your products and get a quote as quick as possible. It will save you a lot of time. If we look at Select AP, let's look at the functionality, where we want to end up. I know we're not there yet. And I know there's some things that you're not going to be happy with. And there's something that you may be thinking about that we are not thinking about. But here's where we're ending up. We're going to connect the clients to the vendors to our best of our ability. We're going to create a service provider list so the client knows to talk to that can use that product that you are selling to implement into your system, or repair it, or replace it, or build a system with it. And then we're going to build a calendar of things happening in South Africa to show you what's happening, what training is happening if you want to look at that, what events is happening, what web launches is going to happen. This website, we are trying to build everything into a single package. And it's going to take some time. And I know you're going to criticize us on things that doesn't work or fix, but we are busy working on it. And we're trying to work to our best of our ability. So please send us your criticism and please send us up your ideas and just give us how's it looks as a good plan if you're thinking it's a good plan. Thank you.